Designed for optimum performance, the all-new PROCIRCUIT Ti-5 exhaust system offers increased horsepower while still meeting both AMA and FIM sound requirements. Equipped with the PROCIRCUIT RC4 resonance chamber, the Ti-5 exhaust system is constructed from titanium throughout the muffler can, header, and mid-pipe areas. Unlike other PROCIRCUIT exhaust systems, the Ti-5 offers consumers the choice between a titanium and carbon fiber end cap, while the asymmetrical muffler configuration maximizes packing volume to ensure sustained performance. The new Ti-5 exhaust system can be purchased online at PROCIRCUIT.com or at a dealer near you.